Hello YouTubers. Well, everybody loves trucks. Whoever you are, everybody loves a truck. They know what a truck does. The truck hauls the world. So here we got some old Truck Emblems. Friggin' right. Kinda got a messy shed, but that's the life. Here we got an International Harvester. That's probably pretty old. It's probably off a GMC. There's a sick Ford emblem. Sickest Ford emblem you've ever seen, bud. Eagle International. Friggin' aluminum piece of crap. Another one of the sickest Ford emblems you've ever seen, bud. Cast aluminum. They're all cast aluminum. $2 there in scrap metal, but they're worth more than scrap metal. So, here we got the L8000 Ford diesel. Would have came off a dump truck. Friggin' got the Western Star over here. I got the Mac right there. It's gonna go on the truck. Got Lincoln hubcap right there. No parking bus stop. I think I got that from David's Farm. Mac. Clock. There's a Ford thing. There's another Ford thing. We got the 4300 Transstar International. Got the Ford FORD off the front of a dump truck. International along the copper wiring. Freightliner. International. Another cast aluminum Ford emblem. Another Eagle emblem. That one's cast aluminum. Friggin' right, bud. I mean, you know, in a couple weeks I'll show you another video and this shed will be all clean, bud. There's a lawnmower. Got it for free. Friggin' works, bud. I ain't afraid to run it. Gonna start it up here. Alright. Have a good one, YouTube.